Welcome to my channel. My name is Sudarshan. Today, this video, what I would like to say is that how it transformed me when I woke up at 4:45 AM for the past 2 weeks. If you're new to my channel, I request all of you guys to subscribe and the notification bell so that you guys never miss my videos. Okay, let's begin. The changes I am able to see after getting early in the morning at 4:45 AM, like an Airbus Aeroplane Boeing 747. Yes friends, this video, what I would like to say is that at least for past 2 weeks when I'm able to get early in the morning, I can see some changes that has happened with me, is that I'm able to be active in the subjects, able to read for longer periods, as well as becoming an alpha male. This is the only difference I can see. It comes from the inner side, it comes from the outer side. Also to say that at least I'm able to spend more time with what I want, as well as being less needy and less distracted. Only these two things that I have noticed. Also, the thing that comes to my mind is that Boeing 747 cargo. That is what comes to my mind. And I always give preference to cargos when it comes to airplanes, which is especially Boeing 747, like cargo like Dreamlifter, Virgin Atlantic, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Skyline, and so on. So these are the things I love to see the most of the times, and especially being that airplanes. When I built airplanes, it means the model airport in my home, it feels like I'm in an airport, as well as boarding my flight. That's how it feels. And this is the difference I can see according to me. And as well as what is the problem when I got up late is that it made me so much lazy, guys, and I'm not able to be active on that. This is the thing I wanted to change. Okay, let's give it a try and see and what happens. After some time, I can notice that I'm able to get up early and do things on my own without depending on others. So this is the difference I can see. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. In the next video, I'll see you in the new topic. Till then, bye bye.